Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything instead of.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. I hope by now you should all know my name by now. Anywho, so today I will be making you guys a cake. So let's get things going, see how we do. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. I have no idea. Sorry about the puffy eyes, guys. I just woke up. Stay tuned. Don't go away. So guys, let me show you tell you what I've got to start off with. We've got sugar, we've got oil, eggs, yogurt, flour, baking powder and some saffron. What I'm going to be doing is mixing all of these up individually, separately, and then I'll show you how it goes. So don't forget your mixer, guys. You need the electric one. That's your sugar. That's your oil. Okay, get it up, give it a mix. That's done. And then what you want to do is crack your eggs in there. That's one. That's two. Get it all in there. Come on, mate. Right, just quickly wash up my hands a little bit, all eggy in that. Okay, and again. We're good with that. Now, time to add the yogurt. Who knew you put yogurt in cake, right? Done. Mix it up again. Okay, now we are done with this, so I'm just going to put that here. You don't need that anymore. What you're going to do is get your baking powder. You want half a teaspoon. So just put it on top of that. That's good. Okay, and then you want. Who knows what this is called, guys? I don't know the name of this. Anyway, so you're going to pour this into that like that. Right, I know what I'm doing. Don't judge me, guys. It's my first time doing this, alright? There you go. That's it. All done. Happy days. Now, what you need to do is get this and mix it up one way. If you do it all over the place, then the fluff of the egg or whatever will go down. So you just want to mix it going in one direction. And then, when that's good, what you need to do, get your saffron, give it a little, just a little bit. There you go, that's enough. Mix it up again. So you'll see it having some colour. You'll give it that nice golden look. Get all the flowers, get everything. Right, we are almost there, guys. All we need to do now, okay, that's done. Now, I've got a baking tray here, but earlier I've prepared it. I put some oil in there so it doesn't stick. So there's a little bit of oil in there. All you need to do, put this here, pour your flour and everything in there. See that? We're baking, guys. Let me get all of it. Okay, that's done. You just want to flatten it out, and that's it. What we're going to do, we're going to put this in the oven, just give it a little shake so everywhere gets filled up and there's no empty gaps. I don't know if you can see that there. But anyway, so we're going to put this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees, and then we'll be back shortly. See you in a bit. Guys, the cake is in the oven. It's getting baked. I'll show you, I'll just put it in there now, so I'll show you in about 10 minutes how it looks in the oven, and obviously we're going to take it out. Meanwhile, what I'm going to be doing is making like the syrup to put on the cake, which is half a cup of sugar, half a cup of water, and then I'm going to add some more saffron to it, and at the end I'm going to pour some rose water on top to give it that extra sweetness or that mixed taste, flour, whatever it is, for it to taste yummy, and you will see, guys. So yeah. Guys, as you can see, our cake is baking, it's rising, it's almost ready. Another 5-10 minutes and then we're going to be taking this bad boy out. Okay guys, so here we have our cake. I brought it out of the oven, it's still pretty hot. I should have a cloth to hold it with, but I'm just going to go in. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to slice it up to make it into small pieces, let it cool down, and then I'm going to get the syrup, pour it on top, let that sink in for about 5 minutes so it gets all, gets all the juices within itself and it absorbs it, and then it's ready to be eaten. So without further ado, I'm going to let that sit for about 10 minutes, let it cool down. I'm going to set it ready like I said before. After 10 minutes, pour the syrup on top, give it another 5 minutes, let it absorb. Good to eat! Well, hey! Okay guys, so it's been about 10 minutes now. The cake has cooled down. That's the syrup. I'm just going to literally pour it on top and let that sink in for a little bit.
You want to get that also everywhere. Make sure you get it all in the corners. There you go. Look at that, guys. Get it everywhere. Right.
What we're going to do, let that sink in for 10 minutes. We'll come back. Guys, just to give it some decoration or just to make it look nice, I've got some crushed pistachios. I'm just going to put a little bit on each box, on each cut of the cake. Not a lot, you probably may not even see it. I don't have a lot left anyway. But my hands are clean, by the way, don't worry about that. Let me just put some extra so you can actually see it. And it's good that we're doing it now since we poured the syrup on top. So it actually sticks on the cake when you want to like cut it and take it out. It doesn't go everywhere. And yeah, that is basically it. Give it another 10 minutes. Let me bring it up to the camera and show you. Where is it? There you are. That's your cake. Done. Give it 10 minutes, we'll be back. So guys, I have left it for 10 minutes. Got our plate. Let's see. want to try and get it out properly, but I don't think it's gonna go. Or it might. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Nice and juicy. I'll just show you with the Can you hear that? Nice and spongy, fluffy, soft. Kind of feels hard on the outside, crispy there, soft on the inside. Guys, you can't go wrong. Now, for the big moment. Let's have a taste. See how it is. Pretty good, guys. Guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget to follow my Instagram page. It'll be on the link, well, it'll be on the last bit of the video. Make sure you click on it, follow me on there as well. And I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come